Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create or modify environment variables in Windows using the command prompt. So these are the things that I want to cover. So first is how to create a variable. So the command is really simple. Setx, the name of the variable, and the value. So I can just copy and paste this command. So let me open command prompt. So enter. It says specified value was saved. And for me to display the value of that variable, I can use that one. Yeah, I think I need to close and open a open command prompt. So let me do it again. Now we see the value. And this is the command here to see, I mean, if you want to display all the variables that you have in your computer, you can use set here. So these are the variables that I have in my computer. Oops. Okay, and next is to unset or effectively delete a variable. The command is this. I mean, you just have to set the same variable, but do not include the value, just a blank string in this case. So if I check the value of the variable, I will only see, I will see that it's blank. Yeah, it's a string that has no value. Okay, and to temporarily set a or create a value or a variable, you can use set instead of setx. Yeah, and I need to close the command prompt and open it again. And I need to, so it says here that the variables will not persist, or I mean, yeah, will not persist after you close the command prompt. So you need to set it again and issue this command. Now we see the value. And if I close the command prompt, I will not be able to see the value. So let me show you a practical example of this. So I'm going to set or create a variable called URL, and I'm going to put the actual URL as the value. So let me copy this line here and go into the command prompt and issue this command. Should be like this. Done. And to display the value of the variable, I need to issue this command. I need to close and open the command prompt. So echo should be URL. Now we see the actual URL. So if I go into the code, we see that we are using where we are importing in the module os, and we are basically retrieving the value of the variable URL, and we are basically storing the value of the URL into a variable called URL as well. And we are making a get call to that URL or endpoint. We are basically converting, the JSON file into a dictionary called joke, and we are printing the key setup and punchline. Yeah. So if I run this code, it's not set. I think it will take a minute. Let me do it again. So if I echo URL, now we see it. Yeah, it's just taking longer than expected. Let me actually open this in terminal and manually run the script. See if it works. Still don't see it. Let me print this. I think I need to actually probably restart my computer, but this is how you actually use the variable in your code. But like I said, sometimes you just have to reload your system. But I'm pretty sure that this works because I've tried this before. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.